YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. Not like the many of people asking me please making about this video. So today I will be making this about video, and please be request to you be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel like we reach a level 500. So guys, I will be explain you how to be complete to be this game levels. This is the so much interesting game, and I feel like be normal game and good game, and then you will be more understand your brain more good working. If you like be playing puzzles game, so your mind your brain good working. No, if you want any will be do working on home and another side, so then your brain so much good working. No, because this is my experience. So why I am so much like games puzzles, because this is the more give me experience and energy and patience everything. So guys, this is the most important video for you, so I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. Guys, I be already download this game and I will be explaining you all about my dear, I will be playing this game like be 2 levels, and then I will be starting this game because this is the more interesting game. So everything so much more easily now, just I playing this game and I will be helping to you how to complete to be these games. Okay, so everything more easily now, just to be watching and completely watching my video. Okay, and I will be guide to you. Okay guys, because this is the everything more easily, not just only explain you how everything about this game, and you never be like be disappointed. No, because I will be helping to you every time, every day. Okay, so I will be find something more. Okay, sorry guys. Because this is the more interesting game and I will be explaining you how to be, because they asking me more times, because people sometimes not to be understand how to complete to be these games. Okay, no, this. Just to be completely watching now, because I will be completely guide to you. Okay. And thank you, because this is the more interesting game, because many of people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be helping to you. If you asking me, I will be making for you all of more videos, because some of people asking me, please make it this way, because first of all you will be watching this picture how to complete now, because then you will be easily understand now. Okay. Okay. I will be helping to you. Okay. So guys, you check in now, I'm be complete to be this game, and please I hope you will be understand now, and if you asking me, so then I will be completed to be this game all of levels.